Oftentimes, technical demonstrations in a command line seem like magic. Especially in movies, you see some talented individual furiously typing away what seem like incantations. Now, the important thing to understand is that the same thing that you type at the command line is the same thing that you do within the graphical user interface. And to ground that thinking, we're going to be looking at navigation within the file system. The file system in your machine is accessed through applications like File Explorer. Every operating system has its equivalent, and we're going to do that navigation, but doing it using the command line. Within the Windows environment, we can access it by typing command, and as you can see here, I have opened a command window. Now note that it shows me where I am. You can see there that I am at C, that is the hard drive C. Then within it, a folder called users. Within that folder, a folder called able. Now, as you can see here on the right-hand side, I have something similar, but I am simply at the root. And in order to navigate, I can use the convention that double dot refers to the directory above of where you are. And so we can use the change directory CD command to be able to navigate upwards. So I'm going to do that twice. And now if I list my files using dir, you can see there that I have goodies, perf logs, program files, which is the same thing that I have here on the right-hand side. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and navigate into the goodies folder. And if we go ahead and type dir, you'll see there that we can see a file called commands.txt, and that is this file here. Now we can get access to the content by entering more, the name of the file, and you can see that we did not see the content. And the reason for that might be that I created the file, but I did not save it. Let me go ahead and save. Let's go ahead and enter that command once more. And as you can see there, we get the contents of the file as expected. Another thing that we may want to try is to create a directory. And we can do that here by entering make directory, mkdir, and we'll call it sample. And as you can see here, we have now a folder called sample. We could also create files at the command line, and there's a rich set of commands that we can use. But the important thing here to understand is we're manipulating much of the environment as we would using a graphical user interface. So this is a worthwhile thing to do to ground your thinking, to touch the technology, to see, to demystify it if you would. So this is a fun one to try. Go ahead and spin up your terminal window, type a few commands, create a few folders, and see how you do.